This is Series 1, Episode 18. I'm going to be talking about a company called Dynatrace, ticker symbol DT. This stock, this is a weekly chart. This stock came to market in July 2019, so it's not super new, but it's still a new company. And I've done my usual thing, guys, where I've drawn in my support and resistance lines. So let me go over what I'm talking about here. You can see how price in the past came up to this level here. The level was rejected, price came down, came back up to the level, eventually broke that level, and then you can see how price started hovering around that level. Eventually price moves up and eventually makes a new high, so that becomes your resistance, new resistance point, because it's a new high. Price then comes down, tests this level again, this support. This is now strong support, and you can see it held very nicely, and then price came back up to test resistance and failed for a short period before breaking out. This is now a breakout stock from a very strong consolidation time. So here's what I mean by consolidation, where price is up and down within a channel. Sorry, those lines aren't perfect, but you understand what I mean. So if I go down to the daily chart, you can see how price is clearly broken out of this resistance and rallied, came down the last few days. Yesterday was a really difficult day in the markets, but this particular stock is held up nicely. Now for me, the perfect buy area is if I can see price just below this 50 level to test this previous resistance. That should act as support on the way back down if price goes back down. Might be too late, might have missed this and it's breaking out, but it's lovely. So this support just below the 50 level is a very strong area for a buy of Dynatrace. Now this company is another cloud-based technology company. Have a look at their website, have a look at the financials as well, because they're doing very well. Excellent sales. Now the really good thing about this one, guys, is you've got institutional buyers behind this one. You've got companies such as Wells Fargo and Fidelity owning shares in this particular stock. The stock itself is owned by, based on my research, over 730 funds own this stock. So it's got a lot of institutional support on it, guys. So let me just clear up some of this mess. I think that's clear enough for you to take action on if you wanted to. There's your absolutely perfect entry point down here for a very safe trade. Of course you could take it now, today when the market's open. That's entirely up to you, but I'm just saying the perfect entry is there, because that limits your risk. Whereas here, the price absolutely could just break out, but of course it could come back down and test this area, just to test that support area. I really like the stock, guys. So I've got my eye on it. If I can get in, I will. I can't at the moment because all my money is in the markets, but it just depends on what's happening with some of the other stocks. So very, very low risk trade on Dynatrace at this support area if you wanted to take it. As always, entirely up to you. This is just for informational purposes. This is just something I've spotted. You will have to make your own decisions on your own trading activity. But Dynatrace Inc., ticker symbol DT, looks very nice for a buy opportunity just below the $50 level. Good luck, guys. Speak to you soon.